So we've got this Mercedes C180. The problem, actually there were three problems with this car. The first one, the fan would keep running as soon as you turn the switch on. So we changed this control unit, which is the SAM control unit in the front right hand side of the car under the hood. The second problem was the wipers weren't working, so we changed the stock, and the washer motor wasn't working as well. So this is the old one which we changed, and now as you can see the wipers do work, the washer liquid also work, and indicators and everything work fine. This car is ready.